In this video, I will show you how to connect to a Wi-Fi network using only the terminal in Ubuntu. This is helpful if you are using a system without a desktop environment or if you just want to use the terminal. Let's begin. First, open the terminal. To do this, press Ctrl, Alt and T on your keyboard. Now the terminal is open. Next, we need to see which Wi-Fi networks are available around us. To do that, type this command showing on the screen. Then press Enter. Now you can see a list of Wi-Fi networks. Look for the one you want to connect to. You will need the name of the network and the password. Now let's connect. Type this command showing on the screen. Enter your Wi-Fi name and the password of your Wi-Fi. Then press Enter. If the password is correct, you will be connected to that network. To make sure you're connected, type this command showing in the screen. Then press Enter. You will see a list of current connections. If your Wi-Fi name is there, then it means you are connected. That's it. You have now learned how to connect to a Wi-Fi network using the terminal in Ubuntu. Thank you for watching this video.